Where are you headed to?
You need a ride?
Are you insured by Survival?
I am.
Alright, well then I can get on that ride. This has to be the funniest thing ever, guys. Popular tourist spot. Oh, there he's filming you, bro. He's filming you. So it's split life, homies.
Hell yeah.
Oh, look at this lane that we have all to ourselves. Yeah. Just fucking beautiful. Fuck!
You can never be too safe.
Never.
You know, people tend to underestimate machinery.
This guy looks kind of interesting. Wonder if he races bikes. Welcome everybody to another beautiful day in LA. We're rolling with fill in the blanks here on my wife's Vespa and Chooster on his FZ09. Today we're gonna be going to Venice while fill in the blanks trolls on the Vespa. And as usual, let's see what kind of fucked up drivers we come across today. Oh, he's split. Got the knee drag. Look at this. Fuck! What the fuck is wrong with you? Damn! Yeah, geez. Gotta be on the defense, guys. Damn, didn't work. Boys and girls, this is how you ride a scooter. Got Chooster on his FZ. When it comes down to riding, this is what you want to do. Already have a missing mirror. Oh, getting no attention. Oh, that guy's smiling right there. Attracting the dudes. Oh, that guy's taking a picture. Sad day today, folks, is fill in the blanks. Sold as a Ducati Monster. She's like, these hooligans. Oh.
Yeah, I'm pretty excited to check out the footage and see what it looks like with my dumb ass riding it with this getup.
Let's see him get down. Woo. Oh, get him. Oh. All kinds of craziness today, folks. All kinds of craziness. This has to be the funniest thing ever, guys. If you don't find this funny, I don't know what to tell you. Giving this fellow rider some good tips on some proper gear. Want a race? Very nice. Ah! Got me. Today we're going to be hitting up Deus Ex Machina, the beautiful city of Venice, California. There's going to be a little meet there held by the Venice Vintage Motorcycle Club, VVMC. Here we are, folks. That was hysterical, man. That looks really comfortable.
No. I hit a pothole the other day, about killed me.
Ah, no kidding.
The front end's like a polo stick, and there's no rear suspension, so...
Right on.
You can never be too safe.
Never.
You know, people tend to underestimate machinery until it's too late. You gotta respect it.
That's right.
The gate.
Absolutely.
You don't want it to bite you in the ass.
Yep, no one wants to have a fucked up day.
Nope. Bam. So.
Let's hear that kitten purr.
We we have to turn on the generators, flip on the switch for the advancers. Wow!
Booyah!
Woo!
Hell yeah, look at these guys. Dude, there's a wizard, bro. They do exist.
Oh, Gandalf! I didn't know you ride Harleys. Awesome. The slide rails along the chassis.
Don't forget the floor mats. That's absolutely important.
Yes, these
for maximum grip.
Are carbon polycarbonate, and the keys are made of tungsten carbide for maximum efficiency, longevity. And,
this dude's like, what the fuck? Yeah, man. Wise words of a scooter racer. Split life, homies.
Hell yeah.
Oh, look at this lane that we have all to ourselves. Yeah. Just fucking beautiful. Hey, watch out, dude. There's a freaking Prius. They're notorious
for being fucking assholes. Yeah, not about that.
Yeah.
Woo!
There it is.
So where are we
Some
sitting?
tight maneuverability right there. Yeah, I like going by cars that have the blind spot indicator.
Yeah.
But really, nobody pays attention anyways.
Yeah. You can give them as much opportunity to succeed, and they'll still manage to fuck it up.
Yep. You know, we'll all be safe when all the cars are autonomous.
Yeah.
So everyone buy a Tesla. Save a biker's life.
I think one of them was 80, and then the other one was an 80 but displaced to a 100.
What the fuck is wrong with you, man?
So, are you serious? It's fucking Subaru, huh?
Fucking idiot. Keep thinking somebody's, oh, she's laughing her ass off.
Nice. Target top.
Oh, damn. Sweet.
That's cool.
You match that bike quite nicely.
Thank you. This is my feminine physique. Or is it my discerning demeanor? Or my Italian skinny frame?
All of the above.
Oh.
Cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching.
Or my silver too?
That's it? That's it. Red light, yeah. Welcome to LA, everybody. Where are you headed to?
You need a ride?
Are you insured by Survival?
I am.
All right, well then I can get on that ride. You know, Akrapovic makes an exhaust for that.
For the scooter?
Yep.
Oh my god. That's too funny.
But wifey don't want me to touch it.
I don't blame her. Does she think it'll be too gnarly?
Huh?
Does she think it'll be too gnarly? Like it'll go too faster?
No. Yeah, she just wants to leave it stock, and yeah, she doesn't want to fuck with it at all.
That's cool.
She wants to keep it OG.
Oh yeah. OG is the way to be.
Yep.
She's like, oh!
That was a Vespa Sprint.
Yeah, I gotta be super careful though, because I can't even get out of my own way. So this is by UCLA?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're gonna be approaching Westwood.
Oh yeah.
Westwood! Up to no good.
Oh, that'd be funny if there were speakers on this, bump some Ice Cube on the Vespa.
That'd be the shit.
Like some Compton style with a little bit of Euro flavor.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's a mindfuck right there. I don't know if I will make it. We'll make it, right?
Yeah, you'll make it.
Yeah. Sweet.
The racer split. That looks so right and wrong at the same time. What a beautiful thing. What a beautiful thing.
Yeah, this sucks. It's getting shitty. Yeah, okay. I think I'll stop here. Thank you. You're so sweet. Oh, don't kill me, please.
Oh, almost got your foot ran over. Whoa.
Hey, snowing.
Somebody's birthday.
Somebody's fucking paycheck.
Rodeo Drive. Don't kill me! There it is. Yeah, we can chill on this lane. The majority of the folks here are just all tourists. Oh, there he's filming you, bro. He's filming you. Yeah, that is so. They try to be discreet about it too. Went in the corner, pulled out his phone. I was watching him the entire time.
They try to like lean up against the phone.
Yeah. Oh damn. That was really funny. Living in Beverly Hills.
That's where I want to be.
You know, even if I had the money, I still wouldn't move here.
Yeah. I know, this is like a clusterfuck of bullshit all the time.
Want to race?
Let's go.
I'll give you to that crosswalk.
Give me to like the San Fernando Valley.
Alright, go! Oh, he's pulling away! Oh, I need that torque.
Oh, thanks, buddy. Appreciate it.
Fucking idiot. He just cut 2 lanes. Unbelievable. The guy.
In front of me, yeah.
Yeah, that was a really dangerous move. Yeah, he deserved the finger. Rolls Royce. Uh-oh. Coming up behind us.
I know.
Yeah. Oh shit. So it's he's like, look at that fucking guy. He's out of his mind. Popular tourist spot.
Hi. Hello.
Showing some love.
Oh yeah.
Phenomenal, everyone.
This is a bang bus, I know it. What's going on in the back? Oh, you can't. Dude, she's about to get railed. Alright? This fucker's wearing a helmet?
He's wearing a helmet.
Oh my goodness.
Fucking awesome.
Yes. He wins for absolute safest person
Yep.
today. Okay. Hey, how's it going? I'm well. Do you think it would be possible for us just to ride up and then back down? Yeah? Yeah? Awesome. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Look at that. Polite.
There it is.
Simple questions.
It doesn't hurt to ask.
It does not.
So, nice little adventure here.
Okay, let's not do that.
Is that all gravel right there?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
But again, up to you. I'm happy here, to be honest.
Let's go. Hell yes.
Oh, kicking up rocks with me.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh, you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh crap. Okay, hold on. Okay, I'll help you out right now. Let me get on flat ground.
Just my luck. I should have went straight.
You tried to turn?
Oh, that is beautiful.
That is beautiful.
Alright. So, the proper way to get a motorcycle up.
Got it?
Alright. Whew.
Alright. We're good. There's just a little tip.
Alright, let's see what the damage looks like.
Does it sound okay? It sounds fine to me.
Yeah, me too.
I think it's just like a couple of scuffs. That's it, man.
Alright, it's not too bad. That was a nice, gentle little drop.
I gotta take a leak so bad.
Alright, my clutch is still good. We got permission to come up here, and it was worth it. Yeah.
The freaking view, look at that.
Downtown LA, right over there, guys.
I've never been here before.
Yeah, same here, my first time. The adventures of Sidestand and Phil, everyone.
Woo!
Well, the bike looks okay. The only thing that happened was this, so not too bad. That was a really big noob move on my part, but all is well.
All is well. We're all safe, happy, healthy.
Yep. A little bit of scratches, but you know, it's not too bad.
We're here to ride another day.
Let's not let's hope this doesn't happen again.
No rules.
Hey, how are ya?
Holy shit. Okay, we gotta turn around.
Sweet, bike is still going straight.
Fuck yeah, that's awesome.
Oh, I'm golden, bro.
Yep.
Dude, that was pretty epic, man.
That was super epic, dude. Glad you're okay.
That shit got my adrenaline flowing for a minute. Like, fucking scratched my bike. Well, lesson learned.
Well, it wasn't bad, so that's good.
Yeah, it was like a slow drop. I tried to catch it, but...
Yeah, you just like gently dropped it.
Yeah. Well, folks, hope you enjoyed today's ride, and if you did, please do like, comment, and subscribe. And be sure to keep those side stands up. Peace!